They figured that out, dude. That's the basic honk. Keep your mouth and throat open very wide and push very low from your stomach, from your diaphragm. Also think a little nasal, too. Kick it up into your mask behind your nose. The bicycle horn is a squeeze ball. When you press and release the ball, you push air out and you draw air in. Do the same thing with your voice. Use a falsetto voice, and then push out, and then draw in a little air. The big rig blast is basically a low, slow honk. Very wide, very deep. And then you add Doppler to that. That gives the impression of speed. That's the guy behind you in a football game. Totally obnoxious. I know. The air horn is a horn in a can. It's very high, very nasal. And be sure you get the squeeze on and off of it. The goose honk. It's a regular honk that begins in falsetto and drops through to a lower honk. Put a little yodel in it.